Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can remove unwanted object from our video using CapCut application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a project in my CapCut application, and for example guys, I'm going to remove this object from my video. If we want to remove object, the first thing we're going to do is duplicating this video. We can click on the video and then we can scroll all the way to the right to find the duplicate option, this one, and we're going to overlay it as well. We can tap on overlay, then you can drag the second video to make it align with the first video. Once you're done, you can click on the second video, then you're going to go to the mask option. Where is that? Okay, this one, mask option. Just click on the mask, and then here you can choose the type of the mask, and I'm gonna go with this rectangle mask. Okay, and now the mask has been added to my video, and I'm going to use another part of this video to cover the unwanted object. I think this part will be suitable to cover it, so I'm just going to take this part, then we can click on the check mark, then we can simply drag the mask to cover the unwanted object. Okay, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with the result, and now it's done, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's how basically we can remove unwanted object from our video. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.